Oh my god! Oh my god, it's everywhere. So I definitely think I put too much on. Again, my forearm is exhausted. And I'm like just slapping my face. Gee. Okay, so I definitely did too much of that. I'm sweating. I'm working up a sweat. Hey everyone, it's Connor Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. As always, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So, girl, I'm a little late to the party as usual, but I was in TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and I saw the Silisponge. And if you didn't see my silicone makeup brush review, that didn't go very well. So I thought I would give the silicone another try. So if you want to see me try the Silisponge, even though everyone else has already tried it, then keep watching. So I got this from TJ Maxx for $2.99. I don't buy beauty blenders because I'm not wealthy. But I do buy the Real Techniques beauty sponges, and those are like $5 or $6 per thing. So I feel like this is pretty cheap. They had a lot of them at TJ Maxx. Probably because everyone hates them. Oh my god. So it's a lot more firm than I thought it would be. The surface area, there's a lot less surface area. All right, so I'm just gonna prime my face with my Shea Moisture Primer. Oh my god! It just shot out. Oh my god, it's everywhere. My life is a mess. It's on my toe. And I'm disgusting, so I just wiped it off my toe and I put it on my face. Did you really expect anything better? So I'm just gonna take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. So I feel like that's a lot less than I would normally do. So I just applied it, and I guess you don't have to damp this, and then we're just gonna blend it out. Like, it doesn't hurt, but like the beauty blender is just like soft and supple. So I definitely think I put too much on again, and that was like half of what I would normally put on. So it's not blending it out the best. It's kind of similarly blending it out to the silicone makeup brushes. Like, it's all splotchy. There's lines. Also, like I said, this is a lot smaller than like a beauty blender or a makeup brush. So it's taking a lot longer. Getting it on the nose and the nose crevices, I feel like it's just like wiping it off. Okay. We're getting somewhere. My forearm is exhausted. Girl, I am not gonna have to work out today. I wasn't going to anyway, but no, I'm really not going to. Okay, it's blending it out. It takes a minute. It takes a minute to work it in. And I'm like just slapping my face. Gee. Getting in the eye area and around the nose is difficult. I can see a little bit streakiness in some places. Okay, it doesn't look that bad, but there's like sections and parts where it's like I just want to take my beauty blender and just use that to fix it up. Alright, so now we're just gonna go in with concealer. I can tell it definitely went a lot farther though. Like, I used way less than I normally would. Again, took longer, though, to finesse it into the skin. So am I trying to save product or time here? Okay, doesn't look bad. So now I'm just gonna pop on my concealer, Tarte Shape Tape in shade Light Sand. All right, so I think I'm just gonna use like this angled part here and hopefully just do that right under the eye. Okay, so I definitely did too much of that. If you're working with like a concealer or a foundation that dries quickly, this isn't gonna work for you. I'm sweating. I'm working up a sweat. Again, especially under the eye, it doesn't feel great. It feels like it's digging into your eye socket. All right, well, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. Alrighty, so I just finished up my makeup and I'm really happy with the finished product. I thought it was, you know, my face looks good as normal, and I used half the product. However, it took twice as long. Now, I think it's actually not bad. It's reasonably priced. It was $3. That's not bad. It took longer. It made my arm tired, which most things make me tired, but this more than normal. What else? It didn't feel great on the skin. I think that it's a good tool to use if you want to save on, you know, actual makeup use. So now one thing that I did do afterwards, after I was done using it, I just took my beauty blender and just sort of fixed up some of the areas that I thought were a little streaky, maybe not blended enough. I'm probably gonna keep it around. I'm not sure if I'll, you know, reach for it all that often, but it's here, so, girl. But, you know, oh, that was not from today. That is old. Alrighty guys, well there you have it. Let me know if you've ever used one of these or if you've thought about getting one of these. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment down below. All of my social media will be linked in the description box, so you can hit me up on there, and I hope you have a great day.